Hey there, Cedar Rapids. I'm at my brand new listing at 327 Nassau Street Southeast here in Cedar Rapids. I'm just down the street from Bruce Moore Mansion, about 5 minutes car or bike ride to downtown Cedar Rapids. I am in the most recently updated area in the house. I'm in the basement. It is a fantastic versatile rec room. We've got a new electric fireplace out there that kicks out heat in the winter when you need to. Got a great space back here. This would be a great space for a bar right here. And then I'm just gonna kind of go this way so you can see a little bit more of the space. So right back behind here, this is the utility room. The only reason I point that out is because we've got newer appliances in here. Newer furnace, newer water heater. The AC is fairly new. Also, new roof got put on just last fall, post-tornado show. So it's great. Hopefully the lights turn on. Oh, here we go. Was the wrong light switch. Okay, so back in here, this is a really, really great non-conforming space, right? It's got closet area, and then we've got a half bath back here. Nice, large open space, but here's the kicker, guys. Check this out. Got the light switch that time. Yeah, I did. Check this out. Workshop right here. Yep. Nice little workshop. Really, really great space for you to work on home improvement stuff, or if you got some hobbies, something like that. Really awesome space there. And then finally, one thing that is so hard to find here on the southeast side. Everybody's got these great historic homes, right? There's all these awesome historic homes. Everybody wants a historic home with tons of charm, but what else do they want? They want an attached garage, right? Oh man, here we go. 3-stall attached garage right in here, up here on the southeast side. So this house has all the charm that you're looking for in those grand southeast side homes that all of us folks from Cedar Rapids know all about. But you've got updated appliances, you got a brand new roof, and you have this awesome drive under 3-stall garage that's attached to the house. So reach out to me so I can show you 327 Nassau Street Southeast. Have a good one.